The French weather and seasons. Bonjour, and welcome to our lesson on French weather and seasons. Understanding these terms is not only fun, but also incredibly useful for travel, conversation, and enjoying French culture. Let's start with the seasons. Spring in French is le printemps, pronounced le printemps. It's a time of renewal and blossoming beauty in nature. Summer, or l'été, pronounced l'été, brings warmth and sunshine. It's a popular season for vacation in France, especially in July and August. Autumn is called l'automne, pronounced l'automne. It's a season of harvest and spectacular changes in nature's colors. L'hiver, pronounced l'hiver, is how you say winter. It's a time of crisp air and, in some regions, snow, offering a picturesque landscape. Now let's talk about weather terms. Soleil, meaning sun, pronounced soleil, is what you'll love on clear, bright days. Pluie, meaning rain, pronounced pluie, is common in spring and autumn. It's essential for the natural beauty of France. Neige, meaning snow, and pronounced neige, transforms landscapes into winter wonderlands, particularly in mountainous regions. Nuage, meaning cloud, pronounced nuas, is a common sight in the sky, leading to varied and beautiful skies. And finally, vent, meaning wind, pronounced vent, can range from a gentle breeze to a strong force, especially in coastal areas. That concludes our exploration of French weather and seasons. With these terms, you're ready to discuss the climate and plan activities in French-speaking regions. Keep practicing and exploring.